my gosh, it's so mainit outside. Parang gusto ko mag-retweet, but then, we have to go or else hindi talaga tayo makakapag-shoot. Gapogong, gig kuya, direct ya! Gusto ko kita magsinggit ka, kinakailinetsi mo! Yay! Good morning! I'm late, okay. Punta tayo ng cave at ito yung aurahan natin. It is 6 minutes to 10 and it's so hot outside. Hindi ko talaga siya Pero yun nga sabi ko, I have to do this. I have to travel. Kasi pag hindi ko ginawa, hindi talaga ako makakapag-shoot. And I would like to take the... May pinipicture kasi ako eh. Yung theme namin ngayon is patterns and shapes. Then we have market vendors or street photography. Then the third one is illusion. So may gusto akong i-achieve sa cave. That's why I really have to make tabok to Guimaras. But it's so hot. Like, it's so really hot. We are now here at Parola. So we will be riding the pump boat. Ay, hindi na gani pump boat, Subong. But we will be riding there sa City Mall area for the boat going to Guimaras. Gosh, wala tayong parking. Ayun. Ay! May aalis dun. So let's go there. Doon na pala sa malayo. There. So that's the City Mall. At doon na pala yung papuntang Guimaras. I forgot to bring an umbrella. It's so hot. We're done. Then, eto siguro yung Buena Vista. Johan. Hanapin natin. The fare is 40 pesos and we will be paying pag nandun na sa boat. So, Johan Buena Vista is the last ship here. Okay. After the ticket, let's write our name. Let's go up. We are now here at Buena Vista. So, it took us around 10 minutes for the whole boat ride. We still have to log in for non-residents and residents of Guimaras, pwede silang dumiretso. Diliran Cave, no? 100 pesos for Diliran Cave. Ara na sila sa cave. Kinagapas lang ko. Pagdaan mo ko ng bilugad lang.
Atod, biyay daw man. Sunod ba na, bro?
Hey, meet Manong. What's your name, no?
Sigido.
Si Gido. Na, if you happen to visit here, Guimaras, makikita niyo sinong Gido dito sa may port. Just say hi to him. Ara sila sa dalo. Ara na sila sa cave ko, no? Dito na tayo sa taas. Pero pababa tayo sa cave. At hinihingal na po ako. Okay.
At this point, iniwan na po ako ni Kuya kasi may kasama na ako pababa.
May stairs pababa. So you won't get lost. Naman going to the cave. Thank you po, ma'am. Bye-bye. We will have a detour here. That's going to the spring. And this one is going to the cave.
Pag nakita to ng nanay ko, patay ako. Mag-aalala talaga yun.
Eto na yun. That's the cave itself. Tapos pababa dyan yung falls. Now, let's take some photos here. I won't get inside kasi ako lang mag-isa. But we'll take some photos here. I like the stairs. So I'll be taking photos there of the stairs. There is still a stairway down there, but I don't want to get myself in trouble, so I'll just stay here and take a photo in here. Look at that. So cool. Cool. I'm tired already. Let's just take some clips. Let's say goodbye. Thank you, Diliran Cave. Now, let's go up and go down to the spring. We are now on our way to the spring. It's 11:20. I like this. Let's take a photo. Excuse me. I'm actually enjoying our trip kahit mag-isa lang tayo because this is actually the nature of my job and I can't take souvenir photos or videos during our work. That's why I'm really taking advantage of this time to take some shots here in the forest. Yeah, we are going to the spring but Manong told me earlier na dry po yung spring pero let's just check. At may swimming pool din sa baba. Doon din tayo lalabas. The walkway is so steep and andun na yung swimming pool. Alright. Sa'yo kahit maputi na ang buhok ko. There's the spring. Kahit maputi na ang buhok ko.
Hinihingal na yan, pero sa totoo lang, gusto ko na lang talagang matulog. Ano na naman ang pinanggagawa mo? Pag nalalaglag ka dyan, lalalaglagin kita. Joke lang. Yan yung illusion na gusto kong ma-achieve. You know, ma-achieve. Tada! At dahil pagod na pala tayo. Yun, nasa kabilang bato pala nakatutok yung camera. Hindi kung saan tayo aakyat.
Yay! We got one shot for illusion. Thank you so much, Manong Carlo. Pinapugid si Manong sa akon nga. Nga pa-stunts. We still need 4 more illusions to finish our requirement. Alright! Yay! After a couple of minutes of rest, here we have Sir Kenneth from Labi-Labi Spring. Kindly invite everyone, sir, to visit your place.
Ma'am, pwede ka mo kakadto, ma'am, sa place na ma'am. Basta, yung seasonal lang. Sa season niya, namin, ganda yung area.
Ayun, usually mga June to July, no?
June, July to February.
Ayun, kasi subong, medyo, summer, so wala gawas ang water. Thank you so much, Sir Kenneth, of course, kay Manong Carlo. Bye! Okay, we'll be passing this footbridge and going there sa basketball court kanina. Diyan tayo kanina, pataas. You won't get lost naman because there's a trail. See. Ayan, may mga tao na doon sa taas. So, we're near. I'll be passing another footbridge. And there's the pool. You can see the pool. We are now here. So, our task now is hanapin yung basketball court, then we'll ride a tricycle back to the port. We are now here at the basketball court and let's look for a tricycle. Walang tricycle. Tingin ko maghahabal-habal tayo kasi walang tricycle. Yes. Meron tayong tricycle dito. Thank you. I am now here at the port ticket here. Okay. I'll write our name here. Ayan. I think this is a CR. restroom. Okay, let's go to the restroom first. Whoa, this is a beautiful view here. I am now here at the ferry. We can't be a mukbanger without eating, so let's take our lunch. Nag-chat na tayo sa kaya sir, pero hindi siya mag-alala. Take our lunch. Init. Yay! We got one portrait! Sinang Raquel, diri sa may City Mall sa Parola. Thank you so much, Manang! Yay! We have here si Manong Jomar boy ko, taga Pasig. Basi kilala yung iya nga mga family members. He's asking for help, no? Kay gusto niya makapuli naman sa Pasig. Thank you Gid so much, Manang, no, for introducing me to Manong. There you go! After all the kapoy, I'm so happy I found it. Yay! I've been craving for this sweet milk for 3 days already. I'm here at Sol Street. Kain tayo sa Nora's Eatery. There. I bought TBL. So, we are here at Nora's Eatery. And just across is
kapoy na ko.
the screening of Animo. Nahingal ako. Kain muna tayo. Then, let's try if we could walk along the streets here at Isnart and watch Animo later.
Gosh, kahit inaantok ako, let's recharge because we have a long day ahead.
Yeah! Hi, sister and friends from Imperial Plaza. Thank you so much. Bye! We got the pillow from Top Ring. Falcor here sa tapat ng Esplanade. Cheers, Manong! Manong, thank you so much. Tani makakapasar kay Sir Akon ko asing mga photo. Thank you. Visit Falcor for your feeds sa mga doggies and may mga cat food man, kag e-course and herbal wines. Yes. Ayun. That's here. May sito pagigag. Thank you so much. Meron ako pillow. Hey, another shot. Thank you ng Jenna. And of course, Teo. Hello. We got Teo and Gabriel. Thank you sa banana. Cute. Wow. Namit. Thank you. Yay! Thank you ng Marilo. Diri kami sa Tubang sa Mass Novelty Shop. Thank you, Ginang. Mera si Manang sang apples, may sabunsil, grapes,
Wonton.
Yay! Thank you. Yay! One last shot from ng baby. Thank you po. Diri sa may Socorro. Yeah. We are now walking back to Solace Street. It's time to rest. I feel so tired. And we will watch Animo. Animo, excuse me. Thank you. Manong.
Tonight and yesterday is our spotlight screening sa amon progress as filmmakers. Of course, syempre ang Film Development Council of the Philippines at DCP Cinematheque, headed by Ma'am Daniela, which is Sara Sagwa. And isa namon ka do supporter gid si Attorney Harleone Hiroche is here. Yes. He's also our big supporter gid. And then mga ang damo sa mga cast and crew nga ari man dire. Syempre, spotlight mo gidya, Parkour Iloilo. Animo is, gabilibi ko yung 80% of the reason why Animo is a project na to proud kami. It's because of them. sila kina yung main muscle. So, thank you.
Ayos naman yun. Love you, Lord.
And,
First, congratulations to Director Mundi. Also, like, Animo, editing, acting nila, oh my God, hats off.
the sequel, actually, well, I wish I could make a sequel.
Actually, mangkutong-kutan yung sequel since na-question na ang akong pamangkot. First of all, congratulations. Definitely, you know, you really made a good film. Kaya nakalanta ko before sang previous mga film and this is really like, wow! Number 2, gapugong, gid kuya direct ya. Gusto ko kita magsinggit ka, kinakailinit si mo. Hambalong ko kita sinusubong. Si iba actor ya. Oh, kailinit si mo. Paano mo naman ko magkaunaan ng pelikula? Asan? Yeah. As an actor, ma'am, bako, yeah, definitely, kag nunoy, congratulations. So, my question actually, hindi para si mo. Para sa ila. After watching that, parang gusto ko mag-parkour. Wow! How long did it take for you to attain that skill? Aside from acting, no? Ang parkour, gidya. How long? Ay, sorry. Aki ko si mo as a character, but not you as a person. How long did it take for you to learn parkour?
Mga 7 years na.
Wow, 7 years.
Hindi lang ako yung parkour. Nag-study ko martial arts before ko sa parkour martial arts mix. Isa sa mga inspiration ko, yung mga action cinema, action films.
2014 ako nag-submit. Grade 6 ko lang ako na siya man yung mentor ko. Actually, halin sa mga.
Actually, nagutukan na ako yun. Kasi maintain sa parkour ka. Sometimes kung wala kami ka-acting, ga-work kami sa production, like may kabalingan ng departments yung gina-work under us. Actually, mga PAs, mga sets kung wala kami ka-acting. So basically, like camera department, sound department, production, design department.
For those interested to go into parkour, how do they start? Like, definitely it's not easy.
Sa mga interested, mag-parkour studio. Ako wala man ko ng official study sa isa ka coach na nagsugod lang, kung ako lang. And then, nagkalitay kami ng mga nagkasugod nga loner lang. Kag nag-form kami parkour lilo. Ang first step siguro, take the first step lang. Ito na. So, siguro day lang.
Thank you!
Jump lang.
Arina, jump! Ooh.
Yeah, I'm finally home! And it was a roller coaster of emotions yung araw natin ngayon. I started the day, medyo kinakaba kasi mag-isa lang po tayong pumasok sa cave. Then, afternoon, noon time, bumalik tayo ng Iloilo. We were so happy to meet the kids, have our coffee with them, take the banana queue, nag-photo op around Iloilo. We met a few guys from Imperial. Hello there. Tapos nag-gano na sila, nag-message si sir sa akin, subscriber na siya. Sir, subscribe sa akong YouTube channel, ha? Basi wala ka pa nag-subscribe sa akong YouTube channel. And then, I went to DCP para manood ng Animo by Direct Raymond, and I was mad. I was really mad with the bad guy kasi ginhurt niya ang hand ni Nunoy. Like, man. At least namba ko siya that I'm mad. Yeah. Yun lang yun eh. Diba? As a human beings, it's very important that we express our emotions para mapag-usapan. Yeah, and there, congratulations, Direk. It was really a level up for Apasa Films and more films to come this coming years. Thank you so much, mga kabangbang. I hope you enjoyed our day and don't forget to subscribe and follow me on Facebook. Bye! Ayaw kayo nakahapit ka mo sa akong yung channel. Kung bago pa lang ka mo dili, pindot ang subscribe button, pati ka ang lingganay, kag hindi pagkalim din.
Be inspired.